Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about bystander CPR, that is the cardiopulmonary resuscitation done by a non-medical person. Suppose if you come across a patient who collapses right in front of you or becomes unconscious, you have to follow 5 steps. The first step is you have to ensure scene safety. That is, you have to see that the scene is safe for you as well as the patient. Then second one, you have to check the response of the patient. You have to check the response by tapping the patient's shoulders or shout loud. Now, if there is no response, then you have to come to the third step, that is call for help. Then fourth step is you have to check the pulse and breathing simultaneously. Pulse, you have to check the carotid pulse, not the radial pulse. Why? Because the carotid pulse is a large central pulse which is situated on the lateral side of the neck. And breathing, you have to see whether the patient is having chest rise or not. And when there is no pulse, you have to start the compressions. That is chest compressions. Use the heel of your palm of the dominant hand and use the other hand and clench both the hands. Keep it at the lower end of the breastbone, that is also called as sternum. Push hard and fast at a depth of 5 centimeters at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute with elastic chest recoil. Continue this till you get help. Now in between, if you get tired, give this role to another person who is standing beside you. So the bottom line is you have to identify the pulse and start the compressions. Keep on doing it till the help arrives. By doing this, you can change the lives. Thank you very much.